If you've been using the CryptoGuru app and you're wondering, can I actually withdraw the money I earned? This video is going to clear up everything in the next couple of minutes. A lot of users get confused, so let's break it down simply and honestly. CryptoGuru looks and feels like a real trading platform, but here's the key thing most people don't realize. It's a cryptocurrency trading simulator. That means all the trades you make, all the profits you see, and all the money in your balance are completely virtual. It's designed for learning, not for earning. Inside the app, you're given virtual funds to practice buying, selling, and managing crypto trades. It's a safe, risk-free environment for beginners to test strategies without putting actual money on the line. Because of that, there's no withdrawal button, no payout feature, and no way to transfer your in-app balance to a bank account, PayPal, or even a crypto wallet. The app is very clear. Virtual money stays virtual. So if your goal is to practice and build confidence, CryptoGuru is great. But if your goal is to trade real cryptocurrency and withdraw real profits, you'll need to use an actual exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. That's the truth behind the question everyone keeps asking. No, you cannot withdraw real money from the CryptoGuru app. Hopefully, this clears things up so you know exactly what to expect before spending time on the app. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick breakdowns just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.